Here we are inside the, I guess this is a hotel. Where do we go for the restaurant? We climb up all the way. Is there an elevator?
You're on. Well, that's a mirror. I'm thinking it's a freaking opening.
Let's see. These are rooms. There's no elevator here. We gotta climb up.
Restaurant?
Second floor?
Second floor? You have a menu down here? We're gonna go up first?
Yes.
You have a menu right here?
Yes.
Can we see it before we
Let's
go
check
up?
out the menu first. Here we are. The second floor of the Romani restaurant. Oh, let's go up. Might as well, right? Came all the way here. Might as well go to the top.
Very nice view.
Well, it really has nice views for sure. Hello. Have free Wi-Fi and views of Jaisalmer. And back here you can see the little fort. Let me show you. Wow, that fort is massive. Look at that. So like I was saying, there are hotels up in the fort that you can stay in. So I think we're gonna check that out later after lunch for sure. All right, so we're here at the Romani restaurant on top of the building of the hotel, basically, with a beautiful view. And they gave us a free water. We got a free bottle of water. It's a local one, but you know, we'll try it. So we have Diet Coke, and we've ordered what is it? Butter chicken and naan. So can never go wrong with butter chicken and naan. I've never had a bad butter chicken and naan, but you know, we'll see. We'll see how it is. And we get a 20% discount for being cool. All right, our food is here finally.
And I just
doesn't-
jump right in.
Yeah, you can just jump right in into your food, getting ready to eat. Naan doesn't normally look like this, but this looks more like a roti or a tortilla. But you know, we'll see. We'll see how it is. And here's the, wow, that looks.
This is a half order?
That's a half. Yeah. Can we ask him? I think we remember asking.
I said a half order.
Yeah. But that's a lot. And it's a lot. It looks really spicy, so good thing I have a little Coke. All right, so let's try this food. Put you down here. Enjoy the little view. The free water out of the way. All right, let's see. Man, if this is a half, I mean, for the price, I guess. It's what you would expect, but is this a half? That's a lot. What is a full gonna be like?
I'm quarter. Recommend quarter.
Yeah. That's awesome. We thought by mistake maybe you gave us full. Wow, so this is half a plate of butter chicken. So yeah. All right, let's see what it's like. This is butter naan. All right, let's try the butter naan. Well, never had a bad butter naan and butter chicken. Is this going to be different? Let's see.
This reminds me of a Mexican dish called mole.
Yeah. It's still good, but the butter chicken tastes a little different than the normal butter chicken that I've had, especially in Delhi. That one has a little more of a texture to it, as opposed to. Oh wow, they did make it spicy. So, I mean, it's not that bad, but it's a little spicy. Normally butter chicken is not spicy, but yeah. But it tastes good. Chicken's good. I don't know if we're going to be able to finish this, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, we have just finished the lunch, and it was, yeah, destroyed it. ate as much as we could. Even though it was a half a portion of butter chicken, there was so much in it that there was still quite a bit left. And it was spicy. So this man made it spicy, but it was good.
Yep, it was good.
It had good
Reminded me
flavor.
of Mexican mole.
Mexican mole. I never tried it, but if that's what it tastes like, then I approve. It was good food. I am filled to the brim. So this is the restaurant here, Restaurant Ramani. The staff here is really nice. They got free Wi-Fi. They got nice views of the fort. If you're able to ignore the trash that people throw down the fort wall. But yeah, overall a great experience, I would say. Yeah. So it's time to now head down to the market, maybe go into the fort, and we have found a new sunset location I'm probably going to be heading to. Let's hope for a good sunset, even though it's a hazy day. We'll see what happens. So I'll see you there.